Hello everyone, today we'll see some shortcut in limit. See, this is the given problem and we can solve in just in 2 seconds. See, for this problem we have to follow some trick, and see, this is the trick. Limit x tends to 0 and their formula should be cos ax minus cos bx. This is the formula by x square. If the problem is given in this form, then you have to do just this, b square minus a square by 2, just this. Now what you have to do, see, this problem is given in this form. Now see, here ax is the 4x and bx is the 10x. Now what you have to do, we have to do subtraction. 10 square minus 4 square by 2. So 10 square minus 4 square by 2. So what 10 square means 100 minus 16 by 2. So we get 84 by 2, we get 42. So this is the answer, 42. See, now I can solve this problem orally only. As you have seen this trick, and the problem should be in the given form, in this format, then you can solve it orally. Now this problem is given limit x tends to 0, and see, and limit should always x tends to 0 should be here. See, cos 20x minus cos 10x by x square. Now what we'll do, 10 whole square minus 20, 10 whole square minus 20 whole square by 2. Now what we'll do, see, now what we get, see, 100 minus 400 by 2, and we get minus 4 minus 300 by 2, and we get answer minus 150. So this is the right answer. So this is the simple trick which I'm sharing with you. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.